If you're still manually transferring assets from Kraken Exchange to your wallet, you're doing extra steps you don't have to. Kraken Wallet now lets you connect directly to your Kraken account for a smoother experience. Let's walk through it. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Kraken Wallet app on your phone. This is a non custodial wallet, meaning you alone hold your private keys. It's not just an extension of your Kraken Exchange account, it's your own secure vault. Once the app is installed, open Kraken Wallet and tap on the browser inside the app or the search bar. From there, type in Kraken and visit the official site. Log in as you normally would using your credentials. After logging in, look for the option to connect wallet. You will find this option easily when using the browser within the Kraken Wallet app. Now tap on Connect Wallet, approve the connection, and that's it. You've successfully linked your Kraken Wallet to your Kraken Exchange account. Now, this is a built-in DApp connection that Kraken recently updated. No need to manually copy wallet addresses or deal with external transfers. Now you can easily manage your funds while staying in control of your assets. And that's how you connect your Kraken account to Kraken Wallet. This is how to literally simplifying crypto one smart move at a time.